Hi, I'm Chris Dykes, co-founder and CEO of Clear Blue Design. We're a development shop that specializes in taking ideas from napkin sketch all the way to completed and marketed products. Our latest product is called TeamTime. So I'm going to show you now what TeamTime looks like. Go to the App Store. Going to download TeamTime for Basecamp. Now I'm going to open it up. And the way that I sign in is using my Basecamp account. We're not creating additional accounts here. There's no reason for us to do that. And it makes it easier on you to not have another account. So when the app pulls up, I immediately have access to all of the projects that are on my Basecamp account. And in this case, the Basecamp account for Clear Blue Design Company. The way that we do that is we are accessing Basecamp's APIs in real time. We're not storing this information on our servers. There's no need for us to do that, so we're not doing it. We're calling the Basecamp APIs. I can see every project here, and I can start logging time to it immediately. If I've been working on some business development tasks today, I can log time directly to business development. Maybe I spent 4 hours working on general business development. Now maybe I want to get a little bit more granular about the work that I'm doing. What we are doing is we're pulling in the to-do lists from Basecamp for each one of these projects as well. So you can log time to the project as a whole or to a specific to-do list within that project. We don't go down to the task level because time tracking is painful enough without forcing people to go down to that level. It's much easier to think about things from what did I spend some time on? Was I working on this project? Was I working on, maybe some subsection of that project? But the more granular that you get, the more painful it becomes, and we didn't want to go down that road. People stop using it, and then you're not getting the output that you really need. So say I spent some time today working on general business development, but then I spent some more time on putting together some contracts for potential clients. So I can go down, pick this to-do list for quotes and contracts, and maybe I spent another 3 hours on that. Can save that one. And then maybe right now I'm starting to work on this project called Idle, which is a mobile app that we developed a couple of years ago and that we do ongoing work for. So I can go ahead and just start that timer right now. And now I've got time logs going for 7 hours of my day, and now I just started a time tracker for this Idle project that I'm about to start doing work on. When I'm finished with it, I can just hit the stop button. I can go back in at any time and edit these time logs that I have in here. I can change that one down to 3 hours. Very simple, very straightforward. And then additionally in the app, I can go to my totals for the week. I can go to team totals for the week. I can see what everybody's been working on. I can look at totals by user. I can go to the month. I can see all this information right there at my fingertips. I can export to a CSV straight from the app. Solves my greatest problems of just having this information, being able to bill people appropriately, knowing if we're spending way too much time on a project or not enough time, and being able to pull up the users, pull up people within the team who have been doing work, who may be hourly employees, and being able to pay them appropriately. Now switching over to the website, you can see that we do have a portal built into the website. So I can go here and it pulls up same things that we have in the app, but it also allows me to manage my subscription, where I could take it from a free subscription to a paid subscription very easily. Say it's the end of the month, I want to go back to October and I want to look at what all did we do in October. Here's everything. I'm going to export that information to a CSV file. And then I could take that information and import it into some other system that I may have for accounting purposes or for payment purposes. While some teams may have a need to export to a CSV and import into some billing system, we find it most beneficial to just come in here at the end of the month, look at the month stats as a whole, pull up QuickBooks, make the invoices that we need to make, and distribute them as needed. Also of note here is that this Team Totals tab is something that is only available to admins within the Basecamp account. So there's no specific permissions within TeamTime itself. Everybody has access to My Totals in their app as well as in the portal. Everybody has access to some basic settings. Everybody has access to log their own time, but only admins within the Basecamp account can see team totals across the entire team, as well as have the ability to upgrade to an unlimited plan. That's just a quick overview of TeamTime. We really built this product out of an internal need that we felt we could solve. We wanted something that was smoothly integrated with Basecamp, that was easy to use, that made this painful process of logging time as painless as possible, and that we could make affordable for other people to use as well, and that really took data security into mind and did not try to take advantage of people's information in ways that it should not be. So please check out TeamTime if you're a Basecamp user. Thank you very much for your interest in TeamTime.